Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely and avoid buying stuff that'll end up as expensive paperweights. Today, we have an epic drone showdown. On my left, we have the Techwonderz drone with camera, and on my right, the Gleesfun G11 mini drone. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Spoiler alert. One of these might make you feel like a tech wizard, and the other, well, let's just say it might feel like casting a spell gone wrong. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. Techwonderz here is a humble $129. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. Gleesfun, on the other hand, is a whopping $299. That's practically a mortgage payment for your drone's summer home in the sky. So if your wallet's feeling a bit light, Techwonderz might already have a leg up. Now let's get to the camera quality. Techwonderz boasts a 1080p HD dual camera with a front camera that rotates 90 degrees. Perfect for capturing those awkward selfies or spying on your neighbor's barbecue. Reviewers have praised its great image quality for the price. Gleesfun, though, comes swinging with a 4K UHD camera. It's like comparing a potato to a Picasso. Gleesfun wins this round, hands down. You can shoot a nature documentary with this baby, while Techwonderz will get you some decent Instagram shots. All right, battery life. Techwonderz offers up to 50 minutes of flight time. Pretty impressive, right? Enough to make you feel like a drone pilot ace. But wait, Gleesfun isn't messing around with a total of 60 minutes from 2 batteries. Reviewers appreciate Gleesfun's long-lasting control charge. So if you plan on filming your entire hike up Mount Everest, Gleesfun's got your back. When it comes to avoiding obstacles, Techwonderz has a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. It's like having a sixth sense. Or maybe just a really good insurance policy. Reviewers love its ease of use and maneuverability. Gleesfun, however, has GPS flight modes, follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It's basically the drone equivalent of having a personal chauffeur. Techwonderz is good, but Gleesfun is basically a flying genius. How about ease of use? Techwonderz is user-friendly with features like one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. Even your grandma could fly it, as long as she's not afraid of heights. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to operate. Gleesfun, though, takes it a step further with auto return to home, beginner mode, and a camera shield. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. So, if you're a total newbie, Gleesfun might save you from a lot of headaches and potential crashes. Reviewers appreciate the Techwonderz drone for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality. It's considered a great value for beginners and casual flyers. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11 Mini is praised for its advanced features, excellent camera quality, and long battery life. It's highly recommended for hobbyists who want a more sophisticated flying experience. So, there you have it. If you're ballin' on a budget and just want a fun, easy-to-fly drone, Techwonderz is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, plus a camera that could probably film the next Star Wars, Gleesfun is your sky-high dream come true. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. And remember, buy smart, fly smart. See you next time. Product links are in the description.